Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to merge Obsidian nodes. So we will use native node merger core plugin or install the merge nodes community plugin for advanced control. So click the setting gear icon in the bottom left corner of Obsidian and then select core plugins. So core plugins right over here and scroll down to find node merge. So let's find that. Right here, as you can see, it's not node merge, but it's now node composer. So you need to look for this one and make sure that is switched to on. Now what we need to do is right here in this menu, we will select those nodes. So I will select this one and another one, so like so, that we selected. Press shift. Now you see that we have two selected. Right click on it, and what we can do now, so click on one node and then right click merge entire file with, and then we will select here one of them. So let's say this one. Are you sure you want to merge? How to merge? Yes, merge, just like that. And yeah, we have successfully merged these two together. Right now you don't see it, so let's say how to write Obsidian. We want to merge with add picture, so with this one, just like that. And yeah, as you can see, now we have it right over here. And this is how you can merge Obsidian nodes. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.